Yes, IAT definitely contained unit standards or outcomes according to the National Qualifications Framework, and all training needs to happen in ABET according to those unit standards. Unit standards are there for a reason that it should be some specific outcomes that should be followed whilst doing a level or learning area. Simple ones is it contains a specific unit number and it's got a description. Like for example, in the communications in English part, there's a reading and writing unit standard, speaking and listening unit standard. So those are the specific regulations and unit standards that needs to be followed in per level per learning area within ABET, that is English and Maths. For the maths, you get adding, subtraction, statistics, and measurements. So that is like a guideline per level per learning area that assists providers to provide training according to. We also, in our placement assessments, also assess according to those outcomes and unit standards, which helps also when we're in the learning environment, assists with skills gaps and shows where learner has got needs and requirements. So yes, I would say it does cater for unit standards and outcomes within adult basic education. Many companies share these hurdles, so book a quick chat with me so to assist and transform your site.